Money boss.
Money boss and Queenie Panwa, the buy for. Hey, girl! All who have money for fun.
Man can't lick you down.
Man can't lick you down, but sexy.
Okay.
When them see sexiness, they might grab breasts.
So money boss with him shrimp.
Yeah, money boss, let's talk about now.
We have some fresh ground. We have some fresh seed one.
They might see.
Yeah, they might see. They might do it.
Oh, they might tough on them, so they might soft on them. And it cut them taste good. Hey!
Yeah, them fresh and nice.
Whoa, to them to the sexy to get on. Hey! What is my man? Brown friend, what's your name again? Hey, bless up. What's your name, Money Boss?
No, million money boss.
Then you may ask your name, then you give me prime the time.
Yeah.
Let me remember you, so we have to go down. Yes. Girl power, bless it. You're so famous and popular. Look how I'm juicy and sexy. Bumbo clock. Look at them nice, tough chicken. Anyway, come. So we have to today.
Alright, I want Queen and I want money boss. You know the team come
Queen
down?
and money.
One Queen, one money boss.
Right, what is your name?
Money bypass.
On the bypass. Thank you.
You can't check me for the...
Father, bless. Look how I look nice. Look at my lovely slippers. Take my slippers on, my nice slippers. Eternal Father, bless our life.
Want to do and put the Queen in.
Guide us with her mighty hands. Keep us safe from evil. Me look nice, see? Power. All life through countless power. Through her leaders great. Hello, defend and gratitude. Hello, repeat again. Hello, gratitude. Wisdom is so famous. From above, justice to the all forever Jamaica land. I love to them tum. Good afternoon, good day, good time. Mwah. Catch my pretty slippers. I love you.